Hey, it's Chris Thompson from John C. Flood. Choosing the right company to replace your home comfort systems can feel overwhelming, especially when it involves air conditioners, furnaces, water and sewer lines, electrical panels, and more. At John C. Flood, we make it easier than ever with free estimates and honest second opinions. If you're unsure about a quote you've received, give us a call today. We're here to help and happy to take a look. John C. Flood, providing comfort for over 120 years.